Welcome back to Living in the Black Hills. Today, we are going to be pulling back the curtain to show you guys this brand new luxury new construction property here in the beautiful countryside subdivision. This is one of the most sought after locations in all of Spearfish, and we're going to be showing this to you guys in framing stage so you guys can see, no question here, you guys will be able to see everything from utilities to the quality of lumber used on this property. We're going to walk you through everything today. The builder tried to incorporate some of the biggest pitches here, so you guys will see when we're walking through this. There'll be nice big vaulted ceilings, but just look at the look on this house, guys. I mean, it is hard to have quality craftsmanship and just a look of a property like this. You guys will see walking around here to the outside too. This is all tongue and groove nickel gap siding. It is all 30-year warranty. Same thing with the windows. You guys will see all the windows in here are all Anderson casement windows, so all really high quality construction there. Here we got absolutely stunning front patio for you guys to drink coffee on, enjoy your mornings here. Super quiet neighborhood, so no problem there. But yeah, just check this out, guys. I mean, unbelievable quality construction here. Head inside here and show you guys the bread and butter of this place. Welcome inside. You guys can see right as we walk in, stunning fireplace goes all the way to the ceiling here. The builder hasn't fully decided on what he's done yet. If you guys get in this deal quick enough, you guys will be able to pick out a lot of these finishes inside as they're not quite determined. But we're thinking we're gonna probably do some shiplap or stone all the way up to the ceiling. There'll be a nice walk-in bench here for all your shoes and stuff for guests, kind of like a little bit of a mud room almost, but kind of the centerpiece of the living room and everything here, so pretty incredible. And like I said, you guys can just see the quality of lumber used in this property. Same thing with this installation. R38 bats throughout. There's also going to be blow-in installation above all these bats. You guys will see on some of these vaulted ceilings just for that extra bit of quality and installation for you guys. But every bedroom here is massive too, and both bedrooms on the main level here are ensuite, so you'll see almost like a separate master over here. But huge walk-in shower here, toilet, and then closet. So whole gamut in here. You guys are set up for guests or office, even if that's what you wanted to use it for. And into the living room here, more of those just stunning vaulted ceilings here. But take a look at that fireplace. So this is going to be where you put the TV above. You guys can see all wired in for that, but just really makes this main area just so much more home-like, and it just really looks amazing with that fireplace. Here is where the kitchen will be. So this is all gonna have custom cabinetry. Cabinetry has been picked out. It's gonna be cream colored cabinetry around the outside. It'll be a light brown island. All as well, it'll be brown granite throughout, but like I said, all custom cabinetry in here and amazing finishes for the countertops. There'll even be a little coffee bar right here. So we'll have full setups, little counter and vanity for everything you need for a coffee bar. Big pantry right here, so plenty of space to store all your goods there. But you guys can just see the immense size of this kitchen. I mean, plenty of space in here. Same thing, little dining room area slash kind of access to the back deck. Deck isn't quite finished yet, so we'll have to check that out later on, but huge deck off the back. You guys will see downstairs too, the amazing walkout in this place. The views here are stunning. Bring you guys over to the master. So this is one of the best selling points of the property. You guys can see there will be trade ceilings in here. I mean, look at the size of this room alone. I mean, plenty of space for everything you'll need. You can see the massive master bedroom in here as well. So this shower will be seamless. You guys can see with the subflooring there, it's actually cut down in. So when they actually do the tile work here, it'll be seamless, no step up or anything. So double shower too, it'll have heads on both sides. So plenty of space for that. You can even see the wool bats they used in here just for that extra protection. Obviously, we won't have to worry about any moisture in here, but they went the whole 9 yards here just using the wool bats in there too for that extra protection. So big walk-in pantry here, or excuse me, walk-in closet here. So plenty of room here for clothes and whatnot. And then toilet will be over there. But just always cool to be able to see a property in framing stages like this. You guys can just see the quality of electrician work here. You guys see, no question. I mean, everything's roughed in, how everything's done. Big trusses up top, just quality of everything here is what we specialize in. And we'll come and check out the laundry room here. You guys can see plenty of space in here. This will be fully tiled too. Washer and dryer will go right there. Have some counter space too. for anything else you guys need. But the idea here was to bring easy access from the garage. So any kind of groceries or anything, you guys can bring it right from the garage into the kitchen, whilst also keeping the laundry room close to the master, so you guys don't have to go across the house to do all your laundry. So it just makes it a little bit easier there, easier access. But let's roll out here into the garage. This is one of my favorite points of the property. You guys will see here. Garage will be fully insulated and heated. It'll also be tape and textured, so just like the interior of the home, it'll be fully trimmed out, everything. You guys can see you have a full drain in here too, so you can wash cars during the winter, anything that you need like that. Also plumbed in for heat. This will be heated as well, so I'll have a gas heater in the corner there. So like I said, whole 9 yards in here will be fully tape and textured, heated, everything you guys need to make a garage amazing. If you come up here, not a lot of properties have this, but this has got actually some extra storage up here on top of the garage. So I mean, the possibilities are endless up here. You could, in theory, rent this out as like a little Airbnb spot. You guys can see it's fully insulated and set up to be finished. We haven't fully decided yet. We may just go ahead and finish this, but either way, if you guys are interested in this, that would be no problem to have something like this, tape and texture too. And you can put like a mini split or anything up here like that to fully heat it and have it set up. So without further ado, let's head down to the basement. I think you guys are gonna love that too. Check that out. Before we head downstairs, just another thing, cute feature up here, there will be a little half bath over here too. So nice little access from the basement too for guests to use, as well as a large linen closet there to store all your cleaning products, anything you need of that nature. But you guys will see the quality of construction down here as well in this basement. Coming down to this large staircase with a big landing, but just look at the ceilings too. Super high ceilings in here, along with the vaulted ceilings like we were talking about earlier. But coming down, you guys can just see the amount of space you get in this basement. There's 3 separate bedrooms just down here alone. So this is total 5 bed, 3 bath. And this is all foam insulated. You guys can see the quality of construction on this foundation. This will be all partially finished. So this will most likely be drywalled, obviously down from the steps. And then we're talking about most likely drywall in this whole area, main area, at least half of it. So it'll be fully ready to finish for you guys. I mean, like you guys can see, it's all roughed in for plumbing, utilities, electric, the whole gamut. But you even get like shower tub and everything down here. So won't have to do much. And it kind of gives it, I always call it like an open canvas. You guys can finish this and make this exactly how you want. So it leaves you guys with some options to pick out. But you guys can see the 3 bedrooms are on one side of this. That's how this basement's set up. This was actually going to be the builder's office originally. And that was going to be a secret door to go in that closet. That's why that closet's so much bigger. But nonetheless, you can just frame in a normal closet door and make that just as a normal bedroom will be. Same thing with these 2. You'll see nice big egress windows with big closets in each room. Same with over here. But like I said, this is a big walkout. We'll head out here in a second, but first I want to show you guys the extra garage stall down here. So another bedroom in here, of course, big closet. But if we walk through the utility room here, show you guys this. Obviously on-demand water heater, fully set up with that. Amazing, really high quality American standard furnace, 2-stage furnace. So you guys can run this at 60, 70, 80%. It's not just on or off. You can also do dual climate, so you can run heat, different temperatures in the upstairs as to the basement. So set up really nicely with that. Got plenty of understair storage back here. So you guys can see even where I'm standing, extra storage in the utility room, of course. But radon mitigation comes with the property too, already plumbed in for you guys. And without further ado, that brings us back here to that garage I was talking about. You even get your own dedicated garage stall to the back. This would work well. We were talking for lawn storage, so you could put your lawnmower in here, things like that. You could do woodworking. This will be fully finished out too for you guys. It'll be all tape and textured in here. So you guys could use this for gym, golf simulator. I mean, possibilities are endless out here too, but it's nice that goes right under the backyard like that. So I'm just kind of having that seamless access from there. But you guys can just see how much space there really is in this house. It's crazy. But I'm showing you guys this walkout to huge patio underneath the deck over here. Alrighty guys, as I was talking about, just take a look at this walkout basement. I mean, we got plenty of patio space here for hot tub, barbecue and grilling, the whole gamut. You can do plenty of entertaining with this property. You guys can see too, it is a 1/4 acre lot, so plenty of space for outdoor stuff too. But just take a second to take in some of these views, guys. I mean, we're right behind Lookout Mountain here on the backside, almost where Woodlands is at. So you get all the incredible views of that. You also get Crow Peak and Spearfish Mountain too. So, I mean, just the amount of views you get from here are just incredible. So you guys can see the landscaping too. The builder's already put in retaining walls on either side for you guys. And then this is kind of the outside of where that garage will come out. So all concreted too on the outside. So nice for getting, like I said, lawnmowers, things like that inside of there. On the side too, we didn't show you guys this earlier, but there will be outside access on the back side of the garage as well. But just kind of a really cool look on the back side of this house too, just since you do get to see both levels with the big pitches and the humongous deck. So you almost get, you know, like I said, a covered patio in some sense down here as well, just from the deck being up there. But nonetheless, like I said, plenty of space for whatever your heart desires with this property. Thanks for tuning in for today's tour, guys. We hope you enjoyed this beautiful new construction property. Let us know down in the comment section what you guys thought, what you guys liked, what you didn't. We love to hear your guys' feedback. As you guys know by this point, we are the luxury new construction experts in the entire Black Hills area, so don't hesitate to reach out. All of our information is below. If you guys like this property and want a private tour, or if you guys want to build something similar in one of the surrounding areas, go ahead and give us a shout. We do post tours like this every single week, so don't want you guys to miss out. Make sure you guys go drop a subscribe, click a like, and drop a notification bell down there, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.